Welcome to SparkMap. This tutorial demonstrates how to build a zip code level community needs assessment. Zip code level community needs assessments are available to premium annual SparkMap subscribers. Not a premium annual subscriber? Learn more on our pricing page at www.sparkmap.org/pricing. The SparkMap Zip Code Level Community Needs Assessment has 4 steps. Select your location, select your indicators, generate your report, and then activate zip code level data. Begin by logging into your account. Once logged in, click Create, then click Create a new Community Needs Assessment. We'll get started by selecting our location. You can select one or more counties from the county list, select a state, draw a custom area, or pick your location from a map. When using the Pick from Map tool, note that zip code level data will only show for county, city and town, and zip code selections. Not sure how to use the Draw My Area or Pick from Map tools? Check out our support page for help at www.sparkmap.org/support. Now, for demonstration purposes, we will select just a single county. Once you have made your selection, click the Data Indicators button to proceed to the next step. Now it's time to select the indicators you wish to include in your report. Select individual indicators by clicking the checkbox next to the indicator name. Select an entire category by clicking the checkbox next to a category name, or select all indicators by clicking the Select All Indicators checkbox at the top of the page. It is important to note that not all indicators are available at the zip code level. To view a list of indicators available at the zip code level, please visit the SparkMap Community Needs Assessment Indicator list. Once you've made your final indicator selection, click the Reports button to generate your report. In this step of the Community Needs Assessment, our system does the work for you. The indicators for your selected location will populate in the Indicator menu. When all indicators have loaded, you can move to the final step. You can track the loading process of your indicators by viewing the progress bar that appears under the Download As button. Your zip code level data will not display automatically and cannot be activated until the indicators have loaded completely. Once your indicators load, click the Report Options button, then click Show Zip Code Data. Your report will now generate to show zip code data. Your report tables will now include the aggregate location you selected, zip code level data inside that location, as well as state and national benchmarks. Have questions or need more information? Reach out to us at sparkmap@missouri.edu.